Hey, what's up, guys? Today, let's see how to animate this biped character using Cascadeur and send it back to Max. Okay, the first thing we need is a character rigged with biped. So we need to export in FBX. Let me export a selection. That way I don't send a lot of helpers. Let me export select. No animation needed. So that's all. Okay, let's go to Cascadeur. Let's import the FBX. Will be a model import. Okay, we need to rig it. Yes. Okay, right now we need to set like for Cascador retarget. Okay, the BIP01 is the most important bone for biped, so this will be the pelvis. It need to be here. You just need to drag the biped bone to the part and you will see here the link. So the pelvis, we can forget the pelvis for now. We don't need. So spine. Let's try to do the right side. Then we can have a mirror. This is a very straightforward process. So spine 1, spine 2, the neck, the head. Left foot, upper arm, the hand. This is a weapon bone. Right here you can see it, but we're not using that right now. So let's go to the right hand. Go to the right hand. Okay. There's no way to move this more outside. It's crazy. Okay, go finger 3. I will save that scene so that way you don't need to do this again. Would be the better solution. Okay, right hand is already done. Let's create the mirror. Let's see the mirror. Oh. The mirror is not working, so even for the body. It's not working. Well, this is very fast process, so let's do it. I don't know why it's not working the mirror. This process don't take like too much time. It's pretty easy. I think the biped changed the hierarchy for a reason, so I think that may be the issue. Biped is a little bit crazy. Okay, let's add the rigs element. We finish here. Let's generate rig, and then we are ready to animate. Let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. We finally have a biped in Cascadeur. Let's save the scene. We have a Cascadeur scene with the biped. I will share the scene, that way you don't need to redo the retarget stuff. Let's see how we animate something basic Cascadeur. That's very easy. So we have a key right here in the beginning. So let's move to 65. Let's see 65. We need to select the root, because if we move by the pelvis, it will be just crazy. So let's move by this right here. This is the main. So we need to create a key. 65. We need to create a key. Just drag the character like this. Then we have two keys. Then we just select all of this right here. Let's click here in this menu. See, the menu is hide. Just click right here and just click on the AI in between. Cascadeur will think a little bit, and you will have an animation already done. So as you see, animating Cascadeur is very easy, very basic. So let's put a little bit faster this. You can with the middle button of the mouse, you can just click and drag this right here. Then you will have a fast motion. Let's see how this looks. Let me put a little bit slow. Let's see. Yeah, like that. Slow, like a work start and work end. Let's see a little bit lower. Yeah, that looks very nice. Yeah, that looks very cool. Okay, so let's send this to 3ds Max. Let's export as SVX. Animation. Just hit export. Let's hit the anim test. Let's go to 3ds Max. We need to import. Let's import the anim test. Let's hit update animation. Fill the timeline. Just hit OK. Then we have the animation in 3ds Max using the biped. It looks very nice. It was a very fast process. We have a very nice quality animation using biped. This animation is losing hands. I think that we may animate that in Cascador, but I prefer to fix everything using the biped because it's faster for me. But for the animation, yes, Cascador is very fast and it's going very nice. That software, I think in the future may be a really potential animation tool, but it's still in the early process, but it's going very nice. Is you can use Cascadeur and you can use Max to polish and edit and all that. That may be a nice combo for animators. So this is all, guys. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one.